Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I am back today with another video, and in today's video we will be featuring my first wig. Shout out to my first wig for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today we have a V-part wig. I haven't done a V-part or a U-part install in a very long time. So today we have a V-part. This is a yaki texture. Really beautiful texture. This is 20 inches long, and the V part does have that strip of lace towards the edge for more of a seamless look. So what I'm going to do is just install this wig. My hair is already braided down and I have a very minimal leave out because the idea is for it to be little to no leave out. The V part lays extremely flat, so it's more of a discreet look. You really can't clock this if you get the blending done the right way. I did blow dry my hair and I flat ironed just my leave out. So more about this hair. This is the Flora Yaki Straight V part and the code is VPS003, and I will have the links and everything you need down in the description box if you're interested in purchasing this unit. So we're just going to go in and lay her down. Then I will pass the flat iron through the hair just to straighten out the folds from packaging. I didn't want to go through this hair and press it out completely straight. I just wanted to get rid of the folds from the packaging and the shipping. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to come back towards the end of the video. Here is basically the finished look. I'm just polishing it up. I did flat iron my leave out, as I stated, to blend in with the hair, which was a super seamless blend. The only difference is I recently just did a semi-permanent jet black rinse on my hair, and the wig is more of like a 1B, so the only difference really would be the color. So I do show you a few different easy styles you can do with it. Some people do like to install these wigs with no leave out at all, but I do not. So that basically wraps up the video. Shout out to My First Wigs for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching another video, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Bye.